Crop zoning is irrelevant on PQNK. There are 4 major climate zones: tropical, arid, temperate, continental, and many plant species naturally migrated from one to another, with most of them later shifted by humans. These species are performing well, with some experiencing minimal stress even during extreme periods. Traditional thinking has led to the enforcement of designated zones for crop production, such as cotton and sugarcane. This approach was developed as a solution for crops grown in flood-irrigated areas. However, flood irrigation inundates the soil with water, causing plants and soil microbes to drown and be adversely affected. In contrast, PQNK utilizes a different method where water is stored in beds, allowing plants and life in the soil to breathe freely while taking up water at their own pace. This approach aligns with the natural ecosystem and avoids disruption. Nature's design differs significantly. Plants have inherent programming and structures to uptake the necessary mineral water solution through transpiration for production and temperature management. However, flood irrigation is against the natural ecosystem and can be destructive. Certain plants grow well when planted together, like cotton and sugarcane, or cotton and sesame. The transpiration rate of cotton is higher than sugarcane, as it has to produce more from a smaller canopy in a shorter period and in extremely high temperatures. In contrast, sugarcane has narrow leaves and a longer maturity period. Cotton, being a broadleaf plant, has a higher transpiration rate, while sesame, a narrow-leaf plant, has a shorter duration and requires far less water as it is an arid plant. Plants lacking the necessary provisions for their respective climate zones suffer in low temperatures, which is why controlled environment facilities like tunnels and greenhouses have been developed, or ethanol is used to prevent freezing of the plants. Plants with specific capabilities can be grown without difficulty, provided their transpiration requirements are met. If not, the plants will wilt and die. On the other hand, some plants require chilling to fruit, so low or no chill varieties should be planted in such areas. Zoning for humidity is not relevant in PQNK as crops have a natural provision and protection against higher humidity in the air, the right amount of moisture, and soil temperature. Concerns about cotton being affected by excessive humidity when grown near sugarcane are not valid since water evaporation is only through transpiration, and not from the flooded field, which is over 80%. Crops in PQNK's natural habitats perform better because PQNK maintains moisture, temperature, and other essential soil conditions, allowing plants to thrive at their best even when outside their designated zones.